You already learned how to move the pieces. Today, let's talk about capturing. In chess, when you capture a piece, you simply move your own piece to the same square as your opponent's piece and replace their piece with your own. Captured piece is then removed from the board. Let's watch this queen capture a pawn. Now let's watch this knight jump over its own pieces to capture the queen. Let's watch this bishop move diagonally and capture a rook. Now let's watch this rook move vertically and capture a bishop. Let's watch this king capture a rook. As you saw, most captures are made the same way that pieces normally move, but pawns capture diagonally. Let's watch this pawn capture a rook. Capturing pieces is a critical part of the game. However, you do not have to capture a piece if you don't want to. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed our exploration of chess captures, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more exciting chess insights. Remember, every capture you make on the board is a step toward victory. See you in the next video.